Today's problem is the following. We have the cubic function y equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus x plus 4. We want to find the tangent line to this curve at the point where x equals 2. Then we are told that this tangent line is also tangent to the parabola y equals negative x squared plus 7x minus k. Our goal is to determine the value of k. Let's begin. First, we find the tangent line to the cubic at x equals 2. We substitute 2 into the cubic. 2 cubed is 8, minus 2 times 2 squared, which is 8, plus 2 plus 4. That gives us 6. So the point on the curve is the point 2, 6. Now, let's find the slope of the tangent at that point. The derivative of the cubic is 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. At x equals 2, the slope is 3 times 4 minus 8 plus 1, which simplifies to 12 minus 8 plus 1 equal to 5. So the tangent line to the cubic at x equals 2 has slope 5, and it passes through the point 2, 6. The equation of the line is therefore y minus 6 equals 5 times x minus 2, or equivalently, y equals 5x minus 4. Now, let's bring in the parabola. The parabola is y equals negative x squared plus 7x minus k. If our line y equals 5x minus 4 is tangent to this parabola, then the slope of the parabola's tangent at the point of contact must also be 5. So let's compute the derivative of the parabola. Differentiating, we get y prime equals negative 2x plus 7. We want this slope to equal 5, so we solve negative 2x plus 7 equals 5. That gives negative 2x equals negative 2, or x equals 1. So the tangent point on the parabola occurs when x equals 1. Let's find the y-coordinate there. Substitute into the parabola. Negative 1 squared is negative 1, plus 7 times 1 is 7, minus k. So the y-coordinate is 6 minus k. Therefore, the tangent point on the parabola is 1, 6 minus k. Now, the tangent line at this point on the parabola must have slope 5, and it must pass through the point 1, 6 minus k. So its equation is y minus the quantity 6 minus k equals 5 times x minus 1. Finally, since this line is the same line we already found, it must pass through the point 2, 6. So we substitute x equals 2, y equals 6 into this equation. We get 6 minus the quantity, 6 minus k, equals 5 times 2 minus 1. Simplify the left side. 6 minus 6 plus k, which is just k. The right side is 5. So we find that k equals 5. That completes the solution, so the value of k is 5.